Mark, a determined and ambitious young entrepreneur, envisions a future of success and financial freedom. Fueled by his passion, he devotes countless hours brainstorming ways to establish a prosperous online business. As he engrosses himself in deep thought, an idea strikes him like lightning: affiliate marketing. Mark's eyes widen with excitement as he unravels the potential this unique concept holds. He realizes that affiliate marketing can pave the way towards his dreams. The scene is filled with anticipation and eagerness as Mark sets foot on a path that will challenge him, but ultimately lead him to tremendous success. Eager to acquire knowledge, Mark immerses himself in the world of affiliate marketing. With unwavering determination, he delves into extensive research, uncovering its immense potential and countless success stories. The scene showcases Mark absorbing information on various types of affiliate programs, understanding commission structures, and unraveling the plethora of benefits this innovative business model offers. As Mark's excitement grows, he realizes that affiliate marketing can provide him with the perfect platform to generate income, gain financial freedom, and create a sustainable online business. The scene is filled with curiosity and anticipation as Mark equips himself with the knowledge that will propel him towards entrepreneurial success. Mark's journey takes an exciting turn as he crosses paths with Sarah, a seasoned affiliate marketer renowned for her success. Sarah becomes Mark's mentor, guiding him through the process of crafting a formidable affiliate marketing strategy. Together, they delve into the intricacies of finding a profitable niche, carefully selecting high-converting affiliate products, and devising strategies to engage and captivate their target audience. The scene exudes an aura of collaboration and inspiration as Mark and Sarah brainstorm ideas, share their experiences, and lay the foundation for their future success. Mark's passion and determination intermingle with Sarah's expertise, paving the way for a robust and profitable affiliate marketing venture. With his strategy in place, Mark embarks on the exciting journey of implementing his affiliate marketing plan. The scene unfolds as Mark diligently creates a captivating website, ensuring its optimization for search engines to maximize its visibility. Delving into the realm of social media, Mark showcases his ingenuity by leveraging various platforms to reach a wider audience. As the scene progresses, the viewers witness Mark's dedication and hard work as he puts his content creation plan into action. The atmosphere is filled with excitement and anticipation as Mark takes his first steps towards establishing a strong online presence and attracting a loyal following. As Mark's affiliate marketing efforts gain momentum, he is delighted to witness positive results and a steady stream of income. Filled with gratitude and determination, Mark takes it upon himself to share his success story with aspiring entrepreneurs. In an inspiring moment, he emphasizes the significance of consistency and resilience, encouraging others to never give up on their dreams. Exuding a sense of empowerment, Mark stresses the importance of continuously refining strategies to stay ahead in the ever-evolving landscape of affiliate marketing. The scene is infused with motivation and inspiration as Mark becomes a beacon of hope, eager to uplift those who strive for greatness.